Hello friends, welcome. Today we are now to start the BSc first year practicals. So in this practical paper number 5th, we study about the various practicals. So now today we are start the practicals of measuring the instruments of vernier caliper and screw gauge. How can we use? Firstly, you know that student about how can we measure the various types of weight, distances. We know that the planet to sun very large distance. This will distance will we can be measured in the sea. The long distance measured in the form of the kilometer meter in the range of that distances. So now you know that about the we can purchase any things, so that will be the measurement of weight. We can purchase any 1 kg 2 kg vegetables or some things. So now this will be measured in the form of kg, gram. So each and every substances can be measurement necessary. So now today we are now start the practicals. So in this instruments, we can various types of instruments can be used in this practical paper. So practically we can we know that the how the measurements is necessary. The various types of measurements can be defined in this by using the instruments. Firstly, I tell you about how can we measure the instruments using that component. So we can be measure firstly the vernier caliper. See, this is the vernier caliper. This can be used for the various type of components breadth measurements. So using this instrument we see firstly this is the movable scale. This scale is known as a vernier scale, and this is the main scale. So this like our scale. Scale. So that will be the in this scale the lines will be 0 to 1 will be 10 lines, and in this movable vernier scale will be 11 lines. That will be considered the 10 division. So firstly I tell you about the list count. First, what is meant by list count? List count means when the smallest components measurement, smallest divisions on these components measurements, how can be used. So firstly we tell you about the it is necessary from this the smallest and smallest unit how can be performed using that list count. Firstly I tell you about the list count of vernier scale. See, LC of vernier scale. See, in this vernier scale 0 to 1 we get the 10 lines. The list count means smallest division on main scale reading upon total number of division on vernier scale reading, VSR. So in this main scale we get the 0 to 1 10 lines. So the value of one line is 0.1, 0.1, and in this movable scale we get the 10 division. So the 11 lines we get the 10 division means 10. So we get the 0.01 1 is the least count of that vernier caliper. First I tell you about how can we measure using this vernier caliper. Firstly, we can read this scale using this vernier caliper. See how can we measuring it. See, this is the main scale reading. How can we coinciding the exact lines of vernier scale and main scale. The first line we start about the first line. In this case doesn't match the first line, so in MSR scale, so we get the which lines will be backward for the MSR scale reading, so that line will be considered the firstly reading. So this will be the lines of first lines coincide in between the 2.7 and 6. So which line will be backward? So firstly we get first reading, the TR1 will be 0. First we can be define the least count formula. Then secondly, how can we derive the first reading? MSR plus VSR into LC. So MSR is 2.6 plus VSR is 0. Which lines will be the remaining lines which can be coinciding exactly in upper lines? So in this case, first knot, second knot, third knot, fifth one will be coinciding exact. So 0. So this will be 5. The VSR cannot be in the fraction. So 0. The reading is 2.65 centimeter. Similarly, second reading also. We get the second reading in another instruments. See. See, in this case MSR is 2.5 and coinciding line is first line VSR exactly match. So TR2 is equal to MSR plus VSR into LC. 2.5 plus VSR in this case 0, the reading will be 2.5 centimeter. Thirdly, the mean difference between two readings will be TR1 plus TR2 is equal to 2.65 plus 2.5 divided by 2. So this will be the mean difference between two readings. We get 2. This will be the 2.2 will be the 4.70 divided by 2. We get the mean difference between these two readings. 2.3 5. So now we discussing the another instrument, screw gauge. So in this screw gauge experiment, see the how can be this screw gauge. This is the main scale and this is the circular scale. So in this circular scale we get the total number of 50 readings, 45 and 50, total 50 divisions, and in circular scale we get total number of 0 to 25. So firstly we have tell you about the how can we list count in this instrument. So first, list count of screw gauge. Similarly, vernier caliper, smallest division on MSR, main scale reading, upon total number of division on circular scale reading. So in this reading we see the smallest division on main scale is 0 to 5, we get the 10 lines. So in this case what 0.5 to 1 line's values will be 0.05. Upon total number of division is 50. So we get 0.001 centimeter. So I tell you about the first reading. This will be the grit. This instrument used for the thickness of the any things. So we get firstly tell you about the how can be thickness measure in this vernier screw gauge using this scale. So I tell you about the how can we measure this list count of that in the to add in the scale the reading of that particular instrument. So see, the breadth we will measure in this scale using we get see how can be coinciding the main scale in circular scale. See the 0.5 exactly coinciding in this reading. The firstly reading we perform the MSR coinciding in the CSR line. MSR will be 0.5 and circular scale exactly coinciding in 20. So same thing formula, MSR plus VSR into LC. In this case we get the circular reading. So here also write the CSR. MSR is 0.5 and CSR is 20. The circular scale where exactly coinciding in this main scale is 20 into 0.001. So we get the the exactly 5 plus this will be multiplied by 0.002. So we get 0.502. Second reading is we get the thickness of this scale, another scale. See, in this case the third line is coinciding in that head. So in this case we get the MSR plus CSR into LC. MSR is 0.15 plus CSR is 5 into 0.001. We get 0.15 plus 0.005. We get the 0.155. So these two reading add, we get the mean difference of that reading, the mean readings we can be performed. So TR1 plus TR2. So we get the 0. The mean difference between these two lines, this reading is 0.502 plus 0.155 divided by 2. So we get 0.657 divided by 2. So we get the mean difference on these two readings is 0.8. So something. So in this way we can measure the instrumental of practical instruments of that screw gauge and vernier. In these two instruments we get oftenly used for the smallest and smallest measurements of that instruments necessary. So next practical we perform the practically how can we measure the practical instruments in this vernier and screw gauge. In this way various stuff we can also various components using this screw gauge and vernier caliper how can we measurements can be do. So thank you.